Alright, hello again. So now I have my Jeffree Starbox. I ordered the deluxe. I thought it was supposed to be like in a red box with cute logos. I mean, right? That's what like we've all been having. But I mean, this has the Jeffree Star tape though. You can see that. Is that legit enough? Let us see. Okay, so I don't know what the hell's going to be in this now because this doesn't even look like what I've been seeing, but maybe the red box is inside. It's not. I just don't. Lots of pink Jeffree Star tissue. Okay. All right. More. Okay. I did know this was going to be in here because I did order the Jawbreaker palette since all of his stuff was 40% off for palette. Okay, first impressions. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright. Okay. Bam. Ooh. There it is. Looks good. Now, let's see when we open it. Oh, okay, so there's some pink shit all over the top. The pink one, if you can see that, looks like it got a little messed up. This cherry wet. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Is it reading
it's
at all?
like scuffed up.
Yeah. That's okay. I don't have to do. I'm going to look because I watched one thing where somebody had gotten a palette and then there was like legit fingerprints in the pans. Wait a minute. Did this have a protective thing on it?
No.
And I took it off?
I don't think so.
No? Because he's always like, oh, protective seal. There definitely wasn't one.
It's sketchy so far.
That's sketchy so far. Yes, it is. So we've got the colors Virgin, Good Morning, Bubblegum, Wow, Suck, Licorice, Cute, Fuck, Gumdrop, Snack, Brain Freeze, Jawbreaker, and Wet, Orange Juice, Sour, Soaked, Raspberry, Cotton Candy, Lemon Drop, Bite Me, Cherry Wet, which is all fucked up, Tasty, Cone, and Delicious. I just kind of want to swatch one, but I'll wait because we're really here for, we can do a makeup tutorial with this. I am by no means a professional. That's what I was looking for. The red box. Yeah, thanks for fucking reminding me. The Conspiracy palette, which I didn't fucking get. I'm sour about that. This box does not have the Jeffree Star tape. I'm missing something, or I just not know how to open a box.
There's a scanning thing on the back too. Like a scan code. A scan code? Oh. So that's large. Let's see what size.
I don't know how to open a box, apparently. I'm not this dumb. Okay. There we go. Okay, first thing is first. I don't even want to look at that. Ooh, it just feels really soft while it's still in this wrapping. Okay. A hoodie. Yes! Oh! It's really like heavy and it's really good material. It's like definitely thick. Feel? First impressions? It's good.
Like, get the sleeve.
Oh, okay. So the sleeves have the star. I'll just put it on. What if it's too small?
It shouldn't be.
We'll see. I did get the Halloween Deluxe mystery box, which was the medium-sized one, because the big one was Supreme. And I got an extra large, because I like things to be a little bit bigger on me, and that shirt is like a fucking dress on me. Like a muumuu. So it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, trademark. Premium Cosmetics Company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. Oh! Iconic. Perfect. Okay, let me try it on now. Let's see, what was the inside? Ooh, feel that. It's like super soft. I mean, oh, it looks good, right?
Yeah, looks like a hoodie.
It's really soft. Looks good. Let's try the hood. Cute?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. I don't really wear the hoodie part, but it's nice. This is Raquel approved.
What size is that?
This is a large. But, I mean, I think it's really good. It's really good. And I'm pretty short, so my arms aren't like super long, and this is pretty nice. And you can still tell that they're the Jeffree Star stars. Iconic. I love it, but it's really fucking hot in here. So I'm not gonna wear this at the moment. My mind first goes to the stickers. Definitely been hearing a lot about this. And they're super cute though. I do like them. Can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Let me guess. Cherry Wet. Beauty Killer. YSOTP? I have no fucking clue what the hell that means. I don't know. I have to Google that later.
It's not like an acronym, I know.
I have no idea. Yeah, I have no clue. Jeffree Star approved, Blend Bitch, the Tea Sis, Blue Blooded, Frosty, and then just some other little cute pictures. I would totally get one of these as a tattoo. And I also got a Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss.
Oh, that's not this. It's reflecting off.
Oh.
the light.
Maybe, is it blinding?
Well,
Is it
the
blinding
packaging
everything?
is at least.
Well, maybe the product will be too. Let's see. Caramel Kiss. Oh, it's like a brown gold. Are you getting that? Yeah, let's open it. Fuck. Here we go. Cute.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't smell though. Should we swatch?
Sure.
Okay. It's a little coarse.
Is it like one where you have to scratch off the top?
I don't think so. Ooh, I love it though. Okay. Are you getting it? Can you
Yes.
see it good? Alright, so there's that. It's... Because when I look at that, I'm like, this might be better like on a darker skin tone. And I'm super white. But no, I think it actually looks really good. It's just like a nice golden bronze shade. I love it. I keep wanting to smell it, especially since the word caramel is in the title. Thirsty palette. Okay. I should keep the wrapping paper. Christmas is around the corner.
Repurpose
Put this
it.
in and people will be like, ah, Jeffree Star. And then it's like
The $5 gift card.
a $5 gift card, a cup from Goodwill. Thirsty palette. Let's see. Will there be a protective seal? Yes.
Oh, maybe it got stuck on the mirror on that one.
I don't think so. We'll come back to that. Oh, and there's even a one on this, which I'm just gonna leave on that for now. Ooh, this is it doesn't smell. But this one again, drizzle. Well, my shade is drizzled all over this shit here, and it's like not even coming off. It's like it's stained on there. But whatever. These shades. Let me touch one. Ooh, they feel good. Very blinding. Okay. Super cute. We'll have to do looks with these. And then I'm going to put this next to it. It actually goes really good with that. Fuck you. If I had to. Ooh, do you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh. That, like, gets my eyes really good. Alright, so we're kind of with, like, a golden moment here so far. A straw. Yes. Ashley, who's cool now. Oh my god, I'm so excited with the little cleaner. Now I just need my Shane Dawson pig tumbler that I didn't get. But I got a hat, so whatever. I got the straw. That can go in any cup. Alright. The Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro Palette. This bitch better smell like peppermint. I'm really upset. Because Jeffree Star is always smelling everything. And so far, nothing that of his that I have opened has smelled.
Are they supposed to smell and they're just not?
Well, I don't know. Because I feel like if he's always like, oh, I just love how it smells, then he should make his product smell good.
Mm-hmm.
To feel it, this one, for me, doesn't feel as nice. Like, it just feels
It's not like
cheap.
smooth.
And even the sound of it, it's just kind of like cardboard. Like, it doesn't feel as, like, good quality as, like, this. Like, it's, like, even more solid, where this one is a lot more, like, hollow sounding.
Mm-hmm.
It's what's on the inside that counts, though. Okay. Ooh. Again, no protective anything over it. I'm not really liking that it doesn't have anything like that, because he's always saying as well that he likes it when they have the protective things. The moment of truth. There is peppermint smell. It's not like super overpowering because like I'm not smelling it. I think it might just be this one that smells, because this is sort of like, I smell it more when I get over here. The shade Ugly Sweater. And then we have Igloo Gold and Chocolate Ice. So I'm going to swatch all three of these since this is an exclusive item.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I thought it'd be like more wow when I opened it, but let's see what happens when I swatch it. Okay.
And then these are the ones that he's not making anymore of them.
Yes, it's the exclusive ones. So they definitely are super smooth and creamy. Definitely smoother than that Supreme Frost was. So this one's Ugly Sweater, and we'll just do one wipe. And that looks really pretty. There's like a little hint of like a pink in it. Can you tell?
Not on this.
No, in person though, I can see like a little bit of like pink though. I feel like this lighting is shit, but we'll do this up later. Okay, so then we'll try Igloo Gold. Oh, I just hate when you touch it and then it's not as pretty looking anymore in the thing. So this is the Igloo Gold. It's cute. You see it good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll do Chocolate Ice. I just hope that when I go like that, the brown doesn't get all in the white. Okay. All right. So I definitely can see a difference in colors. This first one here, that Ugly Sweater, is a little bit more pink. That middle one, Igloo Ice, is a little bit more like white. And then this Chocolate Ice has more of like a brown like hue to it. Golden color. So it's really pretty. Oh, and it definitely still smells like peppermint when it's on. Oh, now it doesn't look as pretty now because you can see like where I've touched in it. Mm-hmm. All right, so two more things, and that is 2 of the Velour Liquid Lips. This first shade is called Skin Tight. All right, see it good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Shake well before use. I don't actually, well, I can see that it's like a nude, but I don't think I've, all right, so when I look at it first thing, I just see like a little crack, I guess, in there, but as long as that goes away, bitch went away. So I barely really didn't even touch that and this was already coming off. Okay, whatever. So we'll go ahead and I'll just swipe that right here, do a little, I like that noise. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Oh, is there like a pink in that?
It's like tan on this.
Oh, okay. Can you see the colors more too?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so it's definitely really cute. It's like a peachy pink.
Yeah, it's more pink now on this.
Yeah. It looks really pretty. Let's put that down for a second. Okay, and our last color is Clout. Is it like a whole new thing looking at it with this light?
Yeah.
my god, we probably like totally failed doing it in here.
Well, like you can still see it without it. It's just more intense with the light.
So these are so loose. Like I'm not even like touching them barely, and they're just like coming off. It wasn't locked, because now it's locked and it's not moving. See, with the other one, both of them was like that. I don't really like that either. So like none of my palettes, besides Thirsty, have had a protective seal. The highlighter didn't, Peppermint Frost didn't, and Jawbreaker didn't. And then both of my liquid lips were not screwed on completely tight.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I feel about that. But
And he got lazy.
Jeffree, not my words. All right. Ooh, this is like a metallic. Oh, okay. I feel like it's not super thick. I almost feel like there should be more product or something, don't you think?
It's like it's older. Not like selling old makeup, but like...
It's just from an original shipment that never sold. He doesn't even have... I don't know. Of course, I'm still gonna fucking put this shit on my lips, so... Ooh! That is pretty, though. Like a metallic, shimmery purple. Pretty, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is basically like all the colors there. I really like that Supreme Frost. This one right here. That Caramel Kiss. Ooh. Can you like really get like the shine?
Don't put it directly on it. Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. Peppermint still smells like peppermint. All right. So that is my box and my feelings on it. I really like the sweatshirt. It's super comfy. I live in Florida though, so it's never really sweatshirt weather, but I also stay inside all the time, so I'll probably wear it a lot. And I don't have any other sweatshirts. This is like my first sweatshirt. Jawbreaker palette, I'm super excited to make some creations with that. The lipsticks I love, and I love that Clout. Also, since you can use his liquid lips as eyeliner, and I do have a brush for that. And so that is definitely a really good like accent. I'm excited for the Thirsty palette. Those metallics were so beautiful. I mean, just that one right there was from the palette, and that is stunning. And yeah, the Peppermint Frost one, I mean, I'll definitely use them. So, and the straw, I love the straw. It makes me really bitter though because I didn't get the fucking Shane Dawson mug.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well. And that was it. And the stickers, I like the stickers, so maybe I'll just get a basic tumbler and fucking make a Jeffree Star tumbler. Fuck Shane Dawson. And I think we should go ahead and go do some creations with these looks. Anyway, so there's my unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.